Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the heart of historic city of Chavinda, a land known for courage and resilience, stands an institution dedicated to a different kind of bravery, the courage to learn. Government Associate College for Women came with clear purpose to serve. This college has served as a beacon of higher education for the women. Its promise is to meet every student, every parents, and every community member to believe that quality education belongs here. At the helm of this institution is our respected principal, Ma'am Shamsa Kanwal, whose vision and dedication guide every success. A true leader who ensures that discipline, quality, and character should be the foundation of our college. Qualified, competitive, and hardworking teaching staff is its main pillar. Students are being educated about health, dengue prevention through displays in college. Students stay informed through regular notices. We follow the curriculum prescribed by the higher education authorities, ensuring our students are competitive at the national level. Many students with distinctions from our college served different government departments. Another significant asset of the institution is its library. It's equipped with comprehensive academic resources. Its vibrant ambience attracts students to spend time with books. To facilitate advanced learning and to meet today's need, Computer Lab has been equipped with latest laptops to promote hands-on scientific understanding. The college maintains fully functional science laboratories, enabling students to conduct experiments in subjects such as biology, chemistry, and physics. These labs are equipped with necessary instruments and materials to support practical learning and enhance scientific knowledge. The college takes immense pride in curricular and co-curricular activities through active participation in cultural day collaboration with different cultures. Sports competitions and debates are also the part of college activities. These activities have helped young students to discover their talent, strength, and refine their personalities and develop lifelong skills such as teamwork, collaboration, and resilience. To promote and develop beautiful, lush lawns is an essential part of college activity. Plantation activity is always ceremonious at college to regenerate the nature. Examinations are essential tools in education that evaluate a student's knowledge, comprehension, and analytical skills, while fostering intellectual growth of the students of the college. Education at its core is about transformation, and at Government Associate College for Women Chavinda, transformation is the standard. Here, education means discipline.
अपने स्टाफ की तहे दिल से शुक्रगुजार हूँ कि इस कॉलेज के जुमला मामलात को बखूबी अंजाम देने में अपना फ़र्ज अदा कर रही हैं और कॉलेज की जितनी भी खामियां हैं इनको दूर करके एक बाज़ाब्ता नज़्म ज़ब्त का मुज़ाहरा कर रही हैं। हमारा कॉलेज ना सिर्फ मेरी तालीम फराहम कर रहा है बल्कि तालिबात की तरबियत के साथ साथ उनकी ज़िंदगी की पेशा वराना सलाहियतों को भी निखार रहा है। हमारा यकीन है कि तालीम महज निसाबी कुतब तक महदूद नहीं बल्कि ये किरदार साजी, नज़्म ज़ब्त, तहकीकी जस्तजू और मुस्बत सोच को फ़रोग़ देने का नाम है। कॉलेज में तदरीसी मेयार को बेहतर बनाने के लिए बाकायदा क्लासेस, टेस्ट सेशन और रहनुमाई प्रोग्राम का इनेकाद किया जा रहा है ताकि तालिबात इम्तहानात में नुमाया कामयाबी हासिल कर सकें। आखिर में मैं ये कहना चाहूँगी कि मेरी भरपूर कोशिश है कि मैं हुकूमत पंजाब के मिशन सरकारी कॉलेज को मेयरी कॉलेज बनाने में अपना भरपूर किरदार अदा कर सकूं। शुक्रिया। मिसेस शमसा कंवल, प्रिंसिपल ऑफ गवर्नमेंट एसोसिएट कॉलेज फॉर वुमेन, चमेंट।